Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix WhatsApp call unavailable. So first you need to launch your WhatsApp application, and as you can see, tap this three dots at the top right corner, click settings, scroll down and look for help. Tap this one. Now click the second one that says contact us. Click this one. And then here, as you can see, tell us how we can help. So you have to message here or type here your concern, your problem, especially about fixing problems to your WhatsApp. So our tutorial is all about how to fix WhatsApp call unavailable. So you have to specify your problem here. So for example, I'm having problems with my WhatsApp calls being unavailable. Please help me. And then you can add some messages here, or you can just do it like this one, a very short one. And then once you're done with this, all you have to do is to tap next and wait for the customer service team to take action or respond to your concern. So I can't guarantee that WhatsApp customer service team will take an action for this urgently or that fast, but you have to wait for maybe hours, days, or weeks, we don't know, but guarantee that they will receive this message and will help you with your concern. I hope this video helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video tutorials.